Imagine swiping back in your favorite app, and instead of instantly jumping to the previous screen, you get a sneak peek. Sounds simple, right? But this little trick is about to change how you interact with your Samsung phone, making navigation smoother and smarter than ever. And guess what? Samsung just flipped the switch on this game changer in their latest One UI 8 update, based on Android 16. If you've been waiting for your Galaxy device to feel a bit more futuristic, this might just be the upgrade you didn't know you needed. Welcome back, viewers. James here. If you're into tech updates that actually improve your day-to-day phone use, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on future deep dives. Alright, let's start with this predictive back gestures. You've probably experienced them in Google apps like Chrome or Gmail if you're on Android 15 or above. Swipe from the screen edge, and instead of an abrupt back action, the app slides away smoothly, showing a preview of the previous screen. It's a small detail, but trust me, it makes a huge difference when you're deep into settings or menus and just want to confirm you're going the right way. Here's the twist. Samsung supported this feature in Android 15-based One UI 7, but only for Google apps. Samsung's own apps like Calculator or Weather, nada. That gap left many users scratching their heads. Why build your own apps but miss out on such a sleek gesture? Well, One UI 8 is fixing that. The Galaxy S25 beta users have already spotted this. Samsung apps now join the party with full predictive back support. Calculator, clock, contacts, settings, voice recorder, weather, they all slide back smoothly, giving you that satisfying preview before you commit. Feels modern, feels right. But wait, don't get too excited yet. Some apps like Calendar and Reminders are still holding out. No predictive back magic for them yet. Samsung's clearly rolling this out in stages, so expect more apps to get the treatment soon. Oh, and if you're a Good Lock fan using the One-Hand Operation Plus module, heads up, that feature clashes with predictive back gestures. You'll want to disable it to enjoy the smooth swipe action. Now for the tech nerds, the toggle for predictive back in developer options was a ghost in One UI 7. It showed up in search but did nothing. With One UI 8, it's back and actually works, though honestly you don't even need to mess with it since the feature works out of the box on supported apps. Why should you care? Because these refinements add up. Navigating your phone feels faster, smarter, and less frustrating. Samsung's catching up to stock Android and then some, taking a solid Google idea and making it their own with style, but predictive back is just the beginning. One UI 8 brings other cool toys to the table. Ever heard of live activities? They're expanding beyond system apps like Clock or Recorder to include third-party apps like Uber Eats. Imagine tracking your food delivery right on the lock screen without unlocking your phone. No more guessing when your meal will arrive. Just glance, swipe, done. Speaking of the lock screen, the Now bar, Samsung's handy info strip, gets a boost. It now shows real-time updates from modes and routines, plus ongoing call info like contact name and call duration without unlocking the device. Super convenient if you hate fumbling through your phone mid-call or want quick mode toggles. And Samsung's new weather app, it looks unreal, almost like it's powered by ray tracing tech. Sharp shadows, smooth animations. Samsung's definitely upping their UI graphics game, making your phone's visuals feel alive. File management fans, here's a gem. The My Files app now lets you filter downloaded files by the app that sent them. So instead of scrolling endlessly to find that PDF or photo, just tap Gmail, WhatsApp, or Chrome at the top and boom, only those files show up. Lifesaver if you download a ton of stuff. Security gets a touch-up too. One UI 8 introduces an auto restart safety feature. If your phone stays locked for a couple of days, it'll restart automatically to re-encrypt your data. Quiet, behind-the-scenes security, exactly what you want without the hassle. Also, notifications get smarter. Ever been bombarded with alerts first thing in the morning? Notification cooldown tones that down so your phone isn't a constant buzz machine when you connect to Wi-Fi or get tons of messages. Peaceful mornings, finally. So while One UI 8 might not scream massive redesign, it's packed with thoughtful upgrades that subtly boost your phone experience. Smooth gestures, real-time lock screen info, sharper visuals, smarter file handling, and quieter notifications. If you're rocking a Galaxy S25 in the beta program, give these features a whirl and feel the difference. For everyone else, hang tight. The official rollout should bring these goodies to more Galaxy devices soon. That's all for today's update. If you dug this walkthrough, do me a solid like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell to keep the tech news flowing your way. Got questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, stay curious, and keep teching smart.